Hello, hola, bonjour, e caro, kedu, sonu. Hello, my name is Tammy from simpleaffordabledIY.com. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you two methods on how you can make your Vaseline at home. As you may know, Vaseline is one of the things you can find in every household. Vaseline has a lot of uses. Vaseline is is good for moisturizing the skin. It helps prevent rashes. You can use it to heal minor wounds, and just to name a few. Vaseline is a very good um cream to have at home. It is a very good staples to have at home. So I'm going to be showing you the two method on how you can make your Vaseline at home. If you don't like the first method, you can equally go for the second method. So make sure to stick around to the end of the video. For this video, we are going to need our extra virgin olive oil, yellow beeswax, organic yellow beeswax, and essential oil. But the essential oil is optional. If you don't want it, you don't have to put it. It's just to give it some scent. So the tools you're going to need for this video is our measuring cup, your saucepan, and the wooden stick, your container to pour your Vaseline. Place our stove in low heat, 6, and I'm going to use half cup olive oil. I'm going to use my quarter cup of beeswax. I'm going to reduce my heat because the oil is already hot. I'm going to stir. Because the beeswax is in small chunk, it's so easy to dissolve in the oil. So make sure your beeswax is in a small chunk. If you got the big size, make sure you crunch it to the smaller size. Okay. So once the beeswax is all melted, I'm going to turn off my stove and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Then I can add my essential oil once the oil is cool. Make sure to stir in your essential oil with your wooden spoon. And so it's already cooled down for 5 minutes, and I'm going to pour it in the jar. So we are going to need our coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, and our organic yellow beeswax. Then, like I said earlier in the first method, You can also add your essential oil if you would like to. For this method, we are going to need our glass bowl, your jar, measuring cup, and your saucepan. So I'm going to add my get my coconut oil, and then that's quarter cup of coconut oil, and I'm going to pour it in the bowl. Then I'm going to add some yellow beeswax, two two spoon, 2 tablespoons of yellow beeswax, and I'm going to put it in the hot water. I'm going to put the whole bowl in the hot water. Then I'm going to mix until um the whole thing is liquid. Both the coconut oil and the beeswax. As you can see, I'm stirring it until everything is dissolved and it turns liquid. So make sure your water is hot so that it can dissolve easily. But this process took me about probably 10 to 15 minutes for the beeswax to, you know. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm going to stir it in. You know, to for the beeswax to get melted. So you have to continue stirring. Then once it's all melted, then I pour it in the jar and I leave it for 2 hours to cool down. And you can also put it in the freezer if you don't want to leave it in the air. So you can see it looks so creamy. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below which of the method you prefer best, and I'll see you in my next video.